The Honor Magic 7 Pro offers an exceptional flagship experience that pushes the boundaries of smartphone technology, delivering power, innovation, and elegance in one sleek package. From the moment you hold it, the premium design stands out with its smooth, curved glass back and ultra-thin bezels, complemented by a stunning AMOLED display that boasts vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a high refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gameplay. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing, the screen provides an immersive and enjoyable viewing experience that is hard to match in its class. Under the hood, the Magic 7 Pro is powered by a high-performance chipset, ensuring lightning-fast processing speeds and seamless multitasking. Whether you're playing graphic-intensive games, editing videos, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the device handles it all with ease. The impressive battery life is matched by rapid charging technology, meaning users can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power throughout the day. One of the standout features of the Magic 7 Pro is its camera system. Equipped with AI-driven enhancements and cutting-edge computational photography capabilities, it captures stunning images with vibrant detail and clarity in any lighting condition. Whether you're taking portraits, landscapes, or night shots, the results are consistently exceptional. Honor's Magic OS, running on top of Android, offers a clean and intuitive interface that's both visually appealing and highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their experience to fit their preferences. With thoughtful features such as multi-window multitasking, seamless device synchronization, and enhanced privacy controls, the operating system delivers a smooth and secure user experience. Additionally, the Magic 7 Pro is equipped with top-tier security features, ensuring that your data and personal information remain safe and protected. In summary, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is a true all-rounder that combines cutting-edge hardware with innovative software. It excels in every aspect: design, performance, camera, battery life, and user experience, making it one of the most impressive smartphones on the market today. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photographer, or simply someone who enjoys a smooth and powerful device, the Magic 7 Pro delivers an unparalleled experience.